The soldiers guarded the king to keep him safe. The divers discovered a giant oyster with a huge pearl. Suddenly, a light appeared near the ancient lost city. Whole schools of whales swam in the ocean. The hot lava from the volcano produced light. They crossed the river in order to get to the other side. Hundreds of delicate patterned tiles decorate the walls of the building. There were stone houses and ancient temples. I don't mind working in harsh weather. Kaki Mata shouted a curse after his daughter.